Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. We are going to start another new tutorial series about Microsoft Office. So in this tutorial series I will cover Microsoft Word, then Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and after that finally I will briefly discuss and I will try to teach you briefly about Microsoft Excel. And if you're a civil engineer, then that's three software is most important for you. I think before learning every software that are required for our department, you have to learn about Microsoft Office software, and minimum that three version of Microsoft Office: Microsoft Word, Microsoft presentation, PowerPoint presentation, and finally Microsoft Excel. And in every construction work and for every construction management, that software is must required for you. So let's start. And if you're a civil engineer, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start. So first of all, I will open our Microsoft Word. So to open your Microsoft, first of all you have to install your software, and how to install that software that are available also in our channel. So the link is given in description, also you can watch that. So first of all, suppose you need to open a file, new file. So just you have to click here, right click, okay, right click, then here new. So from new you have to just come here, Microsoft Word document, okay, Microsoft Word document. There are three: Microsoft Word document, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and Microsoft Excel. I have just installed the 3.1, okay. And first of all, so I will open Microsoft Word document. So just click here. Now you will get an option here, okay. So just you have to give your document name. So just suppose when it is like that, so you can just directly write it here. Otherwise, just suppose in like that way, just select that. After that, press F2, then you will find that option. Otherwise, just after on click, after some time, click here for another, okay. So left click, then you will find here. So I'll just give a name, School of Civil Engineering Demo, right? So just then right click, left click on your mouse, or otherwise enter. So there's our file. So our file is ready, and we have provided some name. Now we'll just click here, double click to open that. You know that as a basic user of computer, then you know that how to open that file. So now we are here. So this is your Microsoft Word. So here just you will see that here is our document name, and here is our software name, which software we are using, Word software, Microsoft Word. Now here you are seeing that this is the ribbon, okay, this is the ribbon, and here you see that this file, okay. Then just when you'll come here, file, then click here. So that insert, then design, then layout, then references, then mailing, review, view. That is the common part of that software, that common ribbon of that software. And under every ribbon they have some subcategory, okay. So for in home is the font, paragraph, then a style. So how we'll use that from here, I will show you about everything one by one. After that, here if you come here, insert, then here illustration, after the table, pages, then there are many things. I will show you about everything just in this video. I'm just showing you that about the, I'm just discussing about that software. After that, this is about design. So here watermark, page border, you can give it from here. Then layout, after that here is the layout, then references. So this is the most important thing. Suppose you are writing a book, or you are creating a thesis paper or journal paper, then this here content table, then insert table figure. This is most important for you. So I'll just show you that how we'll use that, and also I'll show you a demo that how we'll write a thesis paper here or journal paper here, and which way we should start. after that mailing review. So from here you can see your file review, then view. Okay, so here after that this is our writing page. I mean page. So from here we can just write that, just write it here, and then give a space by clicking your space. And if you want to go down, then press enter, just like that. And if you again if you want to just write here, and if you want to delete that, then press backspace. Okay, so like that. Now suppose you have write something and you want to copy that. Okay, so I'm just showing you the basic thing. Just select that. How to select that? Just take your mouse here, okay, or take your just click here. See that some line are moving here, okay, coming, and here some line are coming. So just take your mouse cursor here, and then left click, then move your mouse like that. So after that release your finger. So that's, see that you are seeing that it's have selected. Now copy that, just right click, okay, then from here cut, copy. So like that. Otherwise if you just if you don't want to do that, so just press Ctrl then C, Ctrl then C, your file have copy. So after that suppose you want to copy your file here. So after that press Ctrl then V, here is your file, Ctrl V. Otherwise you can come here where you want to paste it here, then right click, okay, click, I mean right click. After that just give here the keep source formatting, then here merge formatting, and here keep text only. So suppose if you give it, it will copy everything from that text. So just give here, just see that, like that way you can copy that. So now suppose you need to move that, just click here, cut. After that where you want to move, just paste it there, just paste, or Ctrl V. Okay, so suppose you have done a work, how will go back? So by using that option you can go back, just click here to go back, and otherwise just click here. This is undo, okay, this is undo, and this is redo, just like that. Okay, just if you click here it will go back, and if you click here it will go forward. Otherwise you can use your keyboard shortcut. So press Ctrl then Z, then it's gone the back. Okay, it's gone back. Now suppose you want to select your all files. Now as usual how will select, just like that. I mean left click on your mouse, then like that. Alright, left click on your mouse, then like that you'll move your mouse. But you can select all file by using Ctrl A. Okay, like that, Ctrl A. Okay, now suppose you have done a work. Now you will, I mean how will save that, how will save your file? To save your file, just you have to click here the save option. Okay, just click here save option. Otherwise you can press Ctrl S, Ctrl S, then your file will be saved. After that suppose here is your file. Now you want to just copy your all file, then just press Ctrl A. Then now if you want to cut, I mean when you use cut, then every file will be removed from here. I mean it will be copied from here, but your source file will be not available here. Okay, so just click here cut. So like that. So suppose you have cut that accidentally, just press Ctrl Z, like that. So suppose it is selected. Now if you want to cut by using a shortcut keyboard, actually when you work as a professional, then you have to know about that basic shortcut keyboard, I mean keyboard shortcut, and it will give you the very fast in your work. Okay, I mean you will be very fast in your work. So just Ctrl X, just see that, Ctrl X. Then if you press Ctrl V, then it will be passed here, Ctrl V, right, Ctrl V. Now it's done like that. So otherwise you can also select by pressing Ctrl C, I have also told you. Then come here and then press Ctrl V, like that. Your file will be pasted here. So it's done actually. So in this way just you can actually work here. Now in our next video I will show you about part by part about that software. So within some video I will try to show you about everything about that art software. And today it's okay, and if you think that is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also if you're a civil engineer, then must subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon, and also like our video, share our video, and don't forget to leave a comment. Your own comment inspires us for the next one. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.